Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and today I learned that if you are trying to be good at something, if you're trying to excel at something, you need to have fun and you need to find the joy in that, because if you're just working with no joy and no fun, then that's not going to be sustainable. And you need to find that balance of work and play, right? Work hard, play hard. You need to find that. You need to find the fun, and you need to love whatever you're doing. You need to love whatever you're doing. So whether this is, for me specifically, in a sport, when I don't have fun and I'm not just like chill, I perform worse, right? So you will just do worse if you don't have that play mindset, and if you're not just having fun and enjoying the process, right? You need to enjoy the process no matter what. You need to enjoy the process. And although it may take some time to get to that point, you're not just going to immediately enjoy the process, but you need to make sure that there's an existence of that, of enjoying the process and enjoying what you're doing, loving what you're doing, and having fun with what you're doing. I know it was a short one, but I'm kind of sick and I'm tired, so thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. Yeah, this is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.